Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add a progress bar in ClickUp. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, it's important to note that this feature is accessible to everyone within your workspace once it's set up. However, enabling the progress bar feature is something that only workspace owners or admins can do. Let's dive into the setup process. Begin by navigating to the Apps and Integrations section within ClickUp. Once there, look for the menu called All ClickUp Apps. Click Apps are essentially customizable features that you can turn on or off in ClickUp for more control over your workspace. What you're looking for here is the option labeled Show Status Progress. When you find it, enable this feature by switching it on. After enabling, it's necessary to apply it to the specific spaces you want it to be active in. This step ensures that your team can see the progress on the tasks that matter the most. Once the feature is enabled and linked to your chosen spaces, you'll start to notice a new visual element in your task views. When you open your list view, or alternatively the board or table views, you will notice a small colored pie icon next to each of your tasks. What's amazing about this icon is that it will visually represent the progress status of the task, sort of like a mini dashboard for your tasks. It's an intuitive way to quickly grasp which tasks are in progress, which are nearly complete, and which are yet to start. When you click on one of these icons, it will open up the status menu for the task. This is where you can take further action by moving the task forward in its workflow. And that's it. So that is how you can add a progress bar in ClickUp. So that's all for this video. Thanks.